The Free Medical Clinic of Oak Ridge is turning an Armory into a free medical center that serves the working poor in East Tennessee, Appalachia. Experience the transformation as you join us in each episode.
So we've got a existing roof structure and just a whole system that looks like it's in pretty bad shape. Just a quick walk around of the property. You can see we've got material falling out. We've got gutters that have been clogged up and left unattended for years with vegetation growing throughout them. You've got major holes in the existing roof structure. So this is a lot more than just a patch job of replacing some shingles. I think with something like this, we've decided and taken the right path of taking it down to bare bones, starting from scratch and building back with a good system that'll last decades and put us in really good shape.
Here at the clinic, we're going to be replacing the flat roof, and we're going to be replacing, as you can see in the background, the shingle roof, and it's in pretty bad disrepair or whatever. We're removing the shingles and we're replacing some of the tongue and groove wood decking. We're going to put down snow and ice guard underlayment on the whole thing, and then we're going to install a new standing seam metal roof. We'll come in, and of course you'll have to excuse the colors don't match, but when we install it on the roof, everything will match. This is a standard drip edge. It's a locking drip edge, and the way it goes on, it'll go on the edge of the building like so. It will then get panhead fasteners placed in it every 12 inches. After that's installed across the building, we then will take our over top of the ice and water shield correctly, and then we'll have the standing seam panels. They'll be on the ground. They'll have sawhorses and stuff set up, and then what we do, that's a 1-inch fold. We scribe, cut, and bar fold the panel to lock it on the bottom. Put that on there. Of course, when you start on one end, we'll take and make sure we get the panel square with the edge of the roof and square with the drip. Once we get all the panels on, and of course, this is a representative piece. This is a piece of vented Z. What will be installed on here won't be vented because there's no need to vent this system. But what we do at that point, it has a 1-inch butyl tape on the bottom of it. We peel that off. That will be installed at the top of the panel. And of course, this is a little bit shorter, but it will be installed with the same fasteners attached down, color side out, and in each continuous panel. And then when we put our ridge cap on, our ridge cap then, as you can tell, this is slightly higher than the rib. Our ridge cap goes on, it'll have a fold on it, it locks on top of that, and then you put your pop rivets through your Z purlin here, and that way if something ever happens or leaks, it drips into the panel and runs down the roof. It doesn't come inside to the structure.
In the next episode, we reveal what significant hidden structural issues were uncovered, including deteriorated and unusable wood beams and support systems that could no longer safely carry the load of the building, and delayed our project. Replacing these components required extensive engineering review, demolition, reinforcement, and reconstruction to ensure the community could rely on the clinic for decades to come.
This project helps the working poor as the Free Medical Clinic takes away their fear of becoming sick or hurt. Subscribe to our channel and set up notifications as you continue the journey with us.